They wrote it off. They said it was gone forever. A crashed 2020 Airbus A350F Freighter, burned, collapsed, abandoned in a remote desert. Every expert said the same thing: beyond repair, beyond saving. One billionaire disagreed. Watch what happens when the most ambitious cargo aircraft restoration ever privately funded brings a written-off freighter back from total destruction, panel by panel, rivet by rivet, engine by engine. From crashed wreck to active cargo service. This is the full restoration.
Wait, zoom in on sector gamma 12. That fluctuation seems unusual.
Rerunning the diagnostic sweep.
Clear on the left side, Captain. 2 meters to the line.
Roger that. Steady as she goes.
According to the tablet, the damage extends further inboard than anticipated.
Let's cross-reference that with the thermal scan data from the previous pass.
The budget and timeline are approved. We start the restoration immediately.
Check the tolerances on frame 982. The laser alignment is showing a slight deviation.
Copy that. Recalculating now.
Here we see the team addressing the fuselage stress points before moving down to the main landing gear assembly. The scan confirms the impact load exceeded limits on these two fittings.
We'll use the certified titanium stock to restore the integrity.
How are we looking on the surface roughness?
It's within tolerance now.
Okay, let's start laying the pre-preg.
Inspection is complete. The repairs are sound and the profile is correct.
Excellent. We are ready for reattachment. Fastener sequence check initiated.
Torque value reading green. Sequence complete.
Copy that. Aerodynamic profile confirmed.
In this section on engine restoration, we focus on the systems, ensuring every bolt is torqued correctly before routing the main wiring harness.
Torque set to 50 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Sequence complete on panel 4.
Ensure the torque on the B-nut is exactly 97 inch-pounds.
97, confirmed.
Excellent. Log it and prepare for the turbine inspection.
The flight control inputs are responding within the specified parameters.
Confirmed. The navigation unit is clear for reinstallation.
The functional test shows the locking mechanism engaged smoothly. It's within tolerance.
Excellent. We can move this section to the staging area now.
The powered ball mat surface clean and correctly installed. The cargo guide rails aligned and correctly spaced. The locking unit stations installed at correct positions.
Torque set to 250 Newton meters. Clamps engaging.
Confirmation on sequence B7. All green on the diagnostic.
Hold position, adjusting angle 2 degrees starboard.
Roger that. Holding steady. Contact in 5 meters.
Hold position at point 3. We have green alignment on the inboard edge. Proceed slowly.
Okay, bring her up slowly.
Clear on the aft mount.
Settle her down now.
Easy now. Bring it down 5 centimeters.
Looks aligned on the starboard side. Hold it there for the actuator connection.
Scaffolding clear, systems engaged.
Copy that, B. We have full thrust vector control, ready for sign-off.
Part 9, Airworthiness Certification and Return to Service.
Zulu Sierra, pre-flight inspection complete, all parameters green.
Roger that. Commencing power-up sequence.
Walk around complete, everything nominal.
Agreed. Ready for flight deck entry.
ECAM checked, flight controls normal. We are cleared for engine start, Captain.
Roger that. Starting engine 2.
Bought as a crashed wreck in a remote desert, restored by the most ambitious private aviation restoration